Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video on how to apply your eyelashes. I'm going to go step by step on what I do. So let's get started. I'm going in with my lash curler. I like to curl my eyelashes before I apply the lashes. I'm going to be using these Kiss lashes. The way to determine if my lashes are too long for me, I put it on my eye as if I was going to apply it. I will go in there and cut a piece. Make sure you always cut out the end of the strip. I hardly ever have to cut. This is the glue I like to use. I go ahead and apply the glue. I let the glue sit there so it can get tacky. The tackier it is, the better. This is optional. You can always apply eyeliner before you apply your eyelashes, but in this case, I'm not. I find it easier to pull a little of your eye to get it perfectly onto your lash line. So then I attach the inner corner and the outer corner. Then with my fingers, I press onto it. If your eye gets watery, it's not going to attach. Take the lash off and wait for your eyes to dry. Just add some mascara and my lashes are applied. This is something that a lot of people struggle with. It's lash application. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you on my next.